vision, a shape in my mind. Lines on a screen I was learning to find. Inside Bambu Studio I brought it to life. From nothing but code to a form with a bite. The printer moves slow, tracing out lines where the hot plastics flow. A skull takes shape as it rises in time, every curve dialed in, every edge by design. Pull it off clean, now it's real in my hands, but this is just part of a much bigger plan. To flame, every step closer, nothing stays the same. Now covered in wax, every surface refined, feeling the texture, no detail left behind. Adding the sprues, let the pathways align, guiding the metal when it's pouring in time. Every angle matters, every path that I make flow has a language you don't want to break. 5 coats deep, let the slurry embrace, locking in every detail and trace. Slow build shell, let it harden and grow, strengthen the layers you don't always show. Then 5 more coats from a mix of my own, silica clay turning fragile to stone, stucco between every pass that I lay, building a shell that won't break in the flame. Take your time here, this is where it's won. Miss this step and it all comes undone, done, 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 done. Fire it up to the propane cry, wax runs out as it melts and dies into the kiln where the heat runs deep, turning that shell into something you keep. Copper and tin in the crucible glow, bronze comes alive in the fire below. Pour it slow, let the metal find every space that you left behind. Deep and drain, let it breathe, let it dry, every layer stronger as time passes by. First coat holds every line that you made, every detail permanently saved. Build it thicker, reinforce the frame, patience is power when working with flame. Let it cool, let the silence grow. What's inside, you're about to know. Break the shell and set it free. Truth in metal for you to see. Cut and grind till it feels just right. Polish it up till it catches the light. Patina hits, now it's born again. Fire and time sealed deep within. Take it outside, feel the airship tone. This isn't just art, it's something you've grown. Light it up, light it up, light it up. Step back slow, from clay to bronze